So as promised, it is Wednesday and we are going to do our Home Chef unboxing. And a couple differences already. This box was delivered by FedEx and HelloFresh was delivered by UPS. So our box looks nice. It's not messed up. But I was home when it was delivered, so you know that could be a huge difference. Because it didn't sit outside any at all. So let's see what we have inside. First thing, sticking out the insides are our recipe cards. And we are doing the Cattleman steak and buckaroo butter, the sirloin steak with hot honey whipped feta, pork chop with feta butter, and then white cheddar smothered chicken. Those are our recipes, and they were sticking right out the top, so they are a little bit. It actually tells us on these cards to cook within a certain amount of days. It tells us our difficulty level and our spice level. So if you look right here, it's got all that information. So that's pretty neat. And I think those were on the other cards. We'll do a difference, like a side-by-side difference. Oh, and this was Express. Oh, that's oven ready, and that's a meal kit. Oh, so that's fun. Okay, so there's no ice pack. Oh, there was an ice pack on top. It slid down to the side. So that was the first thing. So, in our other box, our bags were a little bit different. This is Home Chef. And this is HelloFresh. So HelloFresh came like this, and Home Fresh looks like this. It tells us the meal kit that's on there. It says E15. This is the pork chop with the feta butter. The zipper packs. It doesn't say that it's recycled, so I'm not sure about that part. This one is our Cattleman steak and buckaroo butter. Ooh, so this is our oven ready one. This is neat. This kit has a little pan with it. So that's pretty neat. Little pan. And this is the sirloin with hot honey whipped feta. And the last one is our, okay, so this bag is busted. So I don't know. So we can fix it. White cheddar smothered chicken. Another separator. Another ice pack. And there's another ice pack. And that's all. So in the bottom, on top of all the ice, was our meat. So we have beef top round steaks. They feel like they could have been frozen. Then we have our pork chops. It says pork chops, but I feel like there's only one in here. Maybe there's two. I don't know. So this is our chicken breast cutlets. And then our beef sirloin steaks. Now these these were definitely frozen. So that's one noticeable difference. HelloFresh was not frozen, I don't think at all. Like, and the stuff didn't feel frozen. So this is a little frozen. And it's starting to thaw, but we're gonna cook it all this throughout the week. So we're gonna put it in the refrigerator and let it thaw. Anyways, so the difference in our cards. So this is a HelloFresh card. And this is our Home Chef card. So it looks like both of them actually have the recipes on the back. This one has the ingredients pictured and listed, and this one just has them listed. Oh, one more thing we did get in our box. We actually got this little binder to put our recipe cards in. And these recipe cards are actually pre-punched. So, and these are our little binder. Now, HelloFresh did not come with one of those, but it's cool, it's neat. It's just a little flimsy binder though. So, in our sirloin steak with hot honey with butter, this is our oven ready one. If we look at our card, it tells us what we will need. So we'll need olive oil, a medium nonstick pan, and a large nonstick pan. So on our HelloFresh, it also tells us what we'll need on the back. So on HelloFresh, on this dinner, we needed salt, pepper, olive oil, cooking oil, and butter. So in this one, you have your crushed red pepper, your savory seasoning, hot honey, feta cheese, chimichurri seasoning, this is your whipped butter, this is your minced garlic and parsley, some cream, and some more cream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 white potatoes. So, just by looking at this, it says oven ready, but really, I don't feel like it's completely oven ready. Nothing is seasoned. I feel like oven ready is seasoned. But anyway, still nice. Oh, my bag broke. What's that one? This one is the Cattleman steak. And in this we have our green onion, our corn, our butter, our seasonings, grapefruit poupon mustard, Lola's hot sauce, some more fresh green onions in there, and more potatoes. More onions. So it seems as though with the other one, okay, so this is more feta, more our seasonings and our sauce. butter. These are butter, salted butters. That's a good portion of string beans. It's a good portion of green beans. So it seems like the most we have to use for this is like cooking oil and salt and pepper. Whereas with HelloFresh, we had to use our own butter, cooking oil, and a few other things. And this is our last one. This is white cheddar smothered chicken. So good portion of broccoli. Actually, a lot of broccoli. Got some bacon bits, some shredded cheese, some more shredded cheese. We got the Philadelphia cream cheese, your seasoning packs, another little thing of butter, and our chicken broth concentrate. So, I will be cooking one of these tonight. I'm not sure which one yet. So you could come back and see the finished results. So far, I'm not sure which one I like better. They're very similar. I think there's things that I like from HelloFresh that I don't like from Home Chef, and I think there's things I like from Home Chef that I don't like from HelloFresh. One being the frozen meat. I liked my meat being fresh. It looked fresh. It wasn't frozen. So Home Chef, the meat, I mean, it doesn't not look fresh, but it's definitely frozen. The vegetables looked very similar. They all looked very fresh. I didn't have any bad or growing potatoes. So that was good. I do like that they send you the little packs of butter and everything that you need for these. But if I had to do it strictly based on meat, I would probably choose HelloFresh because the meat was fresh. So, yep, come back and see what we have for dinner.